check out these. It's the Nank Rudder for bone conduction headphones. If you're looking for some outdoor adventure headphones, these could be the one for you. Bone conduction means your ears are free so you can hear the surrounding and you can even go swimming. Welcome back to the Rudder. My name's Damien. This is a bit of a different one if you're a fan of our channel, but we are a fan of everything outdoors, and that also involves a lot of water. So these Nank Rudder for bone conduction headphones could be the ones for us. Nank very kindly sent us a set of these to try out. Brooke and I are going to do a bunch of activities with them. But bone conduction means it uses your bones to conduct the sound rather than your ear holes or your ear. So if you've got normal buds, that obviously closes off your ear and can't hear the surroundings. If you're a cyclist or a runner, you'll know all about that. You need to have situational awareness so you can hear what's around you. That's where these really come in. Also, they're waterproof, so you can swim in them. Brooke is going to try doing some open water swimming, but before we get through to it, let's have a look at what we've got. There we go. I'll just pull this tab at the bottom. And some very nice packaging. Got the instruction manual. We'll have a look at that soon. And here we are with the extremely light, and that's one of the things with them. I don't know how much they weigh, but it's not much. I don't really know how these put on. Let's have a go. Oh, there we go. They sit very comfortably on your head, and you can see there's 2 points there that they're touching my face and the back of my ears, where I'm guessing that's where the sound's going to come out. We'll try that in a second. Let's just take these off. And what else have we got? Take those out. One more little package. If you want the full audio experience to block off your ears, some earplugs, a charging cable, and an elastic connector strap, I'm guessing, to connect them if you're doing something really extreme and you don't want them to fall off. All right, that's everything we've got in here. We won't be needing that. Now, as you're probably thinking, if you can swim in these, obviously they're Bluetooth, just like sort of every other earbud or headphone, so you can connect them to your phone. But if you're swimming, that obviously won't work. So they do have 16 gigs of storage, so you load up your tunes into them and off you go and do your swimming. So we've got down here, there's 3 buttons. There's an on, off, and a volume switch, and probably a few other things in there. So Nank is a Chinese brand. They're just coming into Australia. I've had a look online. These are around about $80 US. I'm not sure what they're going to retail for in Australia, but sort of, around about that $100 mark, which is pretty reasonable. So let's have a look at how we connect these to your phone. To connect to your mobile phone, so that's volume up, volume down, and the middle button is the power button, and you press and hold that for 3 seconds. Then you go into your Bluetooth settings, pair a new device, and there we have Nank Rudder 4. Do I want to pair? Yes. And I get a nice Chinese lady talking to me in there. And let's try it out wherever Spotify is on this phone. Okay, that is quite strange. I know you can't hear much, but I've got some tunes playing. So the sound is, obviously my ears are free. And I know I've got my microphone here. I'll put them up. I don't know if you can hear anything there, but the sound is coming through the front piece. I can feel it vibrating. So quite interesting. There you go. So that's connected to your Bluetooth. Very simple process. And hold on, let's check the volume. Where's the volume? So the front button is the volume up and volume down. Very simple to use. very secure on my head. I'm sure I look quite idiotic there. So they're quite connected. That's our quick unboxing of the Nank Runner 4 bone conduction headphones. We're going to do some more testing. Brooke's going to do a run, and we're going to do some open water swimming and really try these out. We'll charge them up, see how long that takes, and load up some tunes using the 16 gigabytes onboard power. So that's it for this quick one. I hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. We'll have a few more videos coming, and we'll catch you soon.